Exercise 17-13, horizontal analysis. So data for Mulberry Designs Incorporated follow. So we've got comparative income statements. Here's the older year, here's the newer year. So we're going to analyze each row to see if there was an increase or a decrease and what the percentage was. Now this data is duplicated here, so we really don't need this window. Requirement 1. Prepare a horizontal analysis of the comparative income statements of Mulberry Designs Incorporated. Now this is important. Round percentage changes to one decimal place. For example, x.x percent. Use a minus sign or parentheses to indicate a decrease. So our formula for percentage change is new data, which would be 2024, minus the old data, which is 2023, divided by the old data, which is 2023. But first, we need to figure out the increase amount or the decrease amount, which means take new minus old. So for net sales revenue, it looks like an increase. So we're going to take 431,000, subtract 372,350, and we get 58,650. Now to do the percentage increase, it's new minus old, which is this number, divided by old. So I'm going to take new minus old, which is 58,650, 58,650, divided by the old, which is 372,350, equals 0.157. Now, we need to convert this. This is a decimal. We need to convert this decimal to a percentage. So multiply by 100, or just move the decimal places 2 places to the right. So times 100. So we get 15.75, and we have to round to 1 decimal place. So that's 15.8%. So it looks like our net sales revenue has increased almost 16%. That's good. Next, for the amount of increase or decrease, 203,850, which is the new year, minus the old year, minus 186,000. That gives us 17,850. And then for the percentage change, we're going to take new minus old, which is the amount of increase, divided by old, which is 186,000. So we're going to take 17,850 divided by 186. Oops. Let me start over. 17,850 divided by 186,000, and then multiply that by 100 to convert it to a percentage. And we get 9.59, which rounds to 9.6 because we have to round to 1 decimal place. Next, selling and admin. Looks like it increased. Selling and admin expense. Look at like an increase. So 99,000 minus 93,250 gives us 5750. So the percentage change is 5750, 5750 divided by 93,250. 932. I screwed up again. 5750 divided by 93250 equals times 100 to convert it to a percentage, and we get 6.16, which rounds to 6.2%. So the good news so far is our revenues are increasing faster than our 2 largest expenses. And then we've got other expenses, so these are more minor. So we got 9,000 minus 4650 gives us 4,350. And the percentage change is the amount of change, 4350 divided by 4600. 4350 divided by 4650 equals times 100 to convert it to percentage. So 93.5%. So this might look alarming. We have an expense that almost doubled. But remember, these are in comparison to the other expenses. This 9,000 is minor compared to 203,000 and 99,000. But still, someone should look into to see why the other expenses increase so much. And then we've got total expenses. So we're going to take 311,850 minus 283,900. That gives us 27,950. And then the amount of change is new minus old divided by old. So we're going to take 27,950, which is new minus old. 27,950 divided by the old year, which is 283,900. 283,900 equals times 100 equals 9.84, so that rounds to 9.8%. And then finally our net income, 119,150 minus 88,450 gives us 30,700. So the percentage change is 30,700 divided by the old year of 88,450 multiplied by 100 to convert it to a percent, and we get 34.7%. Wow. Good job. All right. This is why did 2024 net income increase by a higher percentage than net sales revenue? So check this out. Our net sales revenue increased by about 16%, but our net income increased by almost 35%. So how could that be? Well, the reason is because our revenues increased by much more than our expenses. So 16% increase for revenues, about 10% increase for total expenses. So revenues increased at a higher rate than total expenses. So it looks like this company is in good shape. And that's it.